Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to use this bridge design software. So you open the program and it'll show up with this thing, this read a design requirement, and you can just go through this stuff. You're not in local contest, so you just press next. You can select deck elevation, support configuration. You're going to want to do standard ambuments, no pier and no cable anchorages. The height doesn't really matter, but I usually do 24. And then, so for your deck material, just leave it as what it is. And then you can just press finish. And then it's going to leave you this template here. And so you can start out in this top left corner here. This is how you can draw lines. And these are for these connectors, so you can just put these like this and then do something like this or whatever you want to do, however you want to just draw your bridge. And then you just do this across the whole thing, and you can change hollow tube versus solid bar. And obviously a solid bar is going to be a lot stronger, but hollow tubes are a lot lighter, so they stay up a little bit better. And you can also change the thickness, so if I go and select 500 thickness and then draw a line here, you can see that it's super thick, and it's obviously going to be able to hold a lot more weight, but it's also heavier and more expensive, as you can see on the top. So you can also change your materials. I usually just leave it on carbon steel. The difference between the materials is barely anything. It's really just a cost thing. But yeah, if you want to test it, you can press test, load test. Obviously it says my structural model is unstable because I don't really have a bridge. But if it were stable, it would show up with an animation of the bridge testing. And then I'll build a bridge really quick, show you guys what it looks like. Give me 1 second. So yeah, as you can see, I have the 500 thickness, max thickness, and I'm just going to build a little bridge. If you checked your learning launcher, you'd see that you have to have triangles or else the bridge isn't going to hold. So I'm building my triangles. And this bridge probably won't hold, but at least it'll show me the test. Load test. And it didn't go across, but as you can see, this is your bridge. And you can go back to the drawing board and fix it, do whatever you need to do to fix it. As you can see here, these blue lines, that's where the bridge failed. So you can see over here, these ones are too weak. So if I go and make these thicker and test it again, it goes across. Alright, that's how you use Bridge Designer.